Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a Whop business account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Whop homepage. Once the site loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll usually find the main navigation options across the top or along the side, depending on the version of the page you're seeing. If the page takes a second to fully load, just wait until everything is visible before moving on. When you're on the homepage, look for the option labeled Start a Business. In this walkthrough, it appears in the left navigation area. Click that option to begin the business account setup process. This is the section that takes you from browsing the platform to actually creating a business presence on Whop. After clicking Start a Business, you'll be taken to the business creation page. Here, you should see an option to select a sample business. Choose the sample business option shown on the screen. This step helps set the foundation for the account creation flow and may provide a starting structure for your business setup. If you notice multiple choices on the page, just make sure you select the one matching the sample business option demonstrated in the process. Once that's selected, look for the Continue button and click it to move forward. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but the process should guide you through the remaining details needed to create the account. As you continue, read each screen carefully before clicking ahead. That helps avoid mistakes and makes the setup smoother. If a page asks for business-related information, enter the appropriate details for your own account. Be sure to review what you've entered before confirming, especially if the platform gives you a summary screen at the end. If something doesn't look exactly the same as shown in the video, don't worry. Websites often make small design changes, but the main flow usually stays very similar. Focus on the labels such as Start a Business, Sample Business, and Continue, since those are the key actions in this process. Once you finish the on-screen steps, your Whop business account setup should be complete or close to completion, depending on whether any final verification is required. At that point, you can continue exploring your new business dashboard and begin configuring your account further inside the platform. That's it for this guide on creating a Whop business account.